Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AlipayHK cannot change region or country. First, note that Alipay Hong Kong accounts are usually region locked to Hong Kong, so changing the region may not always be possible. Check your account settings to see if the option is available. Then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store or your Play Store, search for your app and make sure that it is updated to avoid bugs. Now, if you recently moved to another country, you may need to verify your identity again. In some cases, you may need to create a new account for a different reason. If you're unsure, contact Alipay Hong Kong customer support for assistance. That's how you fix Alipay Hong Kong region change issue. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you will never miss out on another